YouTube title, increasing or decreasing. Use f prime of x the right way. Exact question on the thumbnail. F of x equals x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x minus 8. F prime of x greater than 0. Increasing, decreasing? Our goal is to decide where the function is going up and where it is going down, using the sign of its derivative. Step 1. Find the derivative. Our function is f of x equals x cubed minus 3x squared minus 9x minus 8. Using the power rule, f prime of x equals 3x squared minus 6x minus 9. If f prime is positive, the function increases. If f prime is negative, the function decreases. Step 2. Find the critical points. Set the derivative equal to 0. 3x squared minus 6x minus 9 equals 0. Divide both sides by 3 to simplify. That gives x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0, which factors as left parenthesis x minus 3 right parenthesis times left parenthesis x plus 1 right parenthesis equals 0. So the critical points are x equals -1 and x equals 3. Step 3. Test the intervals around the critical points. We will use a number line marking -1 and 3. These points divide the line into 3 intervals, -infinity to -1, -1 to 3, and 3 to infinity. Test the left interval with x equals -2. F prime of -2 equals 15, which is positive, so increasing. Test the middle interval with x equals 0. F prime of 0 equals -9, which is negative, so decreasing. Test the right interval with x equals 4. F prime of 4 equals 15, positive, so increasing. Visual check with the graph of f. We draw the curve and mark the vertical lines at x equals -1 and x equals 3. You will see it rises, then falls, then rises again. Green for increasing, red for decreasing. Final answer. The function is increasing on -infinity to -1 union 3 to infinity. The function is decreasing on -1 to 3. Remember, use f prime of x. Positive slope means the graph goes up. Negative slope means the graph goes down. And always test the intervals around your critical points. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MuyVerse Maths.